When asked how Q the Touch has helped her, this is what Debbie had to say.
Kept doing as much touch as I could, and I just kept doing that. I did that, and on Wednesday, I felt so much better. I woke up, I slept all night Wednesday night, and the other thing that I did is when I was in the middle of the touch, I went to my God Spark, my creator. Oh, makes me teary. And I imagined my immune system. And what I saw was this shiny, like razor bright thing that was impenetrable. And that was my image. And I kept doing that for every single touch session so that by Thursday morning, it was all gone. I slept all night Wednesday night for like 7 straight hours and woke up Thursday. I felt great.
Wow, that's incredible! What intention do you focus on when doing the touch? We love hearing when ailments are all gone.